How to change author name in WordPress. So if you're using the default view interface, you can do this by clicking Post and then selecting All Posts. So you will see all of your posts here. Then click the three dots beside that post and select Edit. So it will direct you to this page. On the right side, under Post, you will see this section Author. Click the drop-down arrow button under Author and select the author. But if you're using the classic view interface, it is a bit similar to the default view. So just go over to Post and select All Posts, and then hover to the post that you want to edit its author name. So click Edit. So same thing as to when you're using the default view. You will see this right portion here under Post, and then this Author section. Just click the drop-down arrow button and select the author. So don't forget to click Update to save your changes. And so that is how you change author name in WordPress. Thank you and have a great day.